Alicia Pisha, Aloysia Pisha, welcome to Aloysia Pisha! Hi guys, it's me Alicia, and today I'm going to be making churros in my churro maker. But these are not just any churros, these are the Disneyland official churro recipe. And Disney churros are so amazing, they're so tasty, and yeah, let's get making. So to a pot I'm adding 1 cup of water, 8 tablespoons of butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now let's bring this to the stove. I think I put this on the electric mark maybe 3 or 4, but look how satisfying this is seeing the butter melt. Now it's time to stir it up and wait until all the butter's melted. Once the butter is melted, we can bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and mix in 1 1/4 cups of flour until combined. Now I'm going to leave it to rest for 5 to 7 minutes. Now in a separate bowl, I'm going to be cracking 3 eggs. I know I only cracked 2 eggs in this, but look at that face. Now once the mixture in the pot has cooled down for 5 to 7 minutes, I'm going to be adding 1 egg at a time, fully combining it, and then repeating this until I mixed in all of the eggs. Now I'm cracking the 3rd egg and adding it in to combine it with the mixture. Now the churro dough is completely finished, all we need to do is to cook it. So in a piping bag I'm going to be adding the churro mix. If you were doing this without a churro maker, then you would need to add a star tip to the end. Now I'm just trying to get every last piece of churro dough into the piping bag because I don't want to waste any. This is my churro maker, and no, this is not sponsored by anything. My mum bought it with her own money. So this is the 2nd time I'm using it. The first time didn't go so well, but this time I hope it does. But before I bake my churros, I want to make sure that they have a coating to go in straight after. So to this dish, I'm going to be adding 1/2 cup of sugar. I decided to do half and half, brown and white, but you don't have to. And 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now I'm going to mix these all together, but don't worry, I washed my hands before doing this. Time to start baking the churros. So I've been preheating my machine for a while, and if you were doing this with oil, you would preheat 1/2 cup of oil in a pot. And now I'm going to be squeezing the churro dough into the compartments to cook. To take the end off, I'm just going to be using my fingers, and be careful because the metal is very hot. And also this is sped up. I'm not that quick at doing it yet. Now I'm going to be cooking these for 3 to 5 minutes and flipping them halfway between. This is so that it will get an even finish. So when steam stops coming out of the machine, you know it's done. And with oil, when they are golden brown and you've been turning them, you know they're done. So now I'm just taking them out, and I think this is probably the best batch I've done yet. Like, they look so uniformed. Time to coat them. I did fill it up again, but I didn't film that. Now, because they were made in my churro maker, the topping doesn't actually stick to it, so I had to coat them in a bit of melted butter to get the sugar and cinnamon mix to stick. So now I'm just rolling them in and getting them a good coating. Altogether, one time this recipe made around 12 churros that were around 20 centimeters in length, I think, but they were so delicious and so nice. The only thing I would say is that because I coated them with the melted butter, they were a bit soggy the day after, but if you coat them in sugar and cinnamon again, they taste so nice. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please try this recipe, it is so delicious. And if you do, tell me in the comments down below. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you would like to see more of these videos like this. Anyways, bye!